Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to learn how to make a dynamic urban opener animation in Canva? Click the Create button to start a new project. For this tutorial, choose the video option. Next, select the landscape orientation to ensure your video has the correct format. Add an element by clicking the Add button. Select video from the available options. In the search bar, type the desired place, for example, New York. Browse through the video results and choose the one that fits your needs by clicking on it. To add a video, select the area where you want to place it and click the video option. Next, let's add an element. Click on the Add Element button, then choose Shape. From the Shape options, select Rectangle. The rectangle will appear on your canvas, ready for you to resize and position as needed. Spread the rectangle across the area as shown. Next, select the rectangle by clicking on it. Open the color options and change the fill color to red. Then, adjust the transparency settings. Set the opacity to 50% to make the rectangle partly see-through, allowing the background underneath to remain visible. Adjust the width of the video by dragging the edge as needed. Once satisfied with the width, duplicate the video by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate from the context menu. Let's try adding two elements to this video. First, select the video in your timeline and click the Add button. Next, repeat this step so that you add a second element. Now that both elements are included, let's duplicate them. Select both elements by holding Shift, then right-click and choose Duplicate. This creates copies of the two elements within your video project. Next, duplicate the element by selecting it and using the Duplicate function. Move to the second element created. Now resize this element by dragging its corners or adjusting the size options in the toolbar until it matches your desired dimensions. Once resized, add a text box by clicking the Text tool. Place the text box inside the resized element. Enter your desired text content into the box. Finally, change the font or file for the text by selecting it and using the available text formatting options in the Properties panel to suit your preferences. To send a pointer, start by selecting the user you want to point to let's choose Alice as an example. Click on Alice's name to activate the pointer feature. Next, go to the text corner where you want to make changes. Click into the text corner and update the text as needed. These steps allow you to both send a pointer to Alice and modify the text corner for clearer communication in your workspace. To add effects to your text, start by selecting the text layer. Next, apply an outline effect by choosing the outline option and setting the color to black. This creates a clear defined border around your text, making it stand out. Now to animate your text, locate the animation options. Choose an animation preset here. We'll use the spread effect. Select animate and then find and select spread from the available animation option. Adjust the spread settings as needed for the desired look. With these changes, your text will have both a black outline and a smooth spreading entrance animation, enhancing its visual impact and making your content more engaging for viewers. Adjust the duration by clicking the duration control and setting your desired length. Next, add a transition by selecting the transition icon. Choose the Move transition from the list and click Add to apply it. Finally, maximize your workspace by clicking the Maximize button in the top corner, giving you a clearer view of your project and the updated timeline. To play the animation, locate the animation controls at the bottom of the screen. Click the play button to start the animation sequence from the beginning. If you want to pause the animation at any point, simply click the pause button. You can also use the skip forward or skip backward buttons to move frame by frame. Adjust the playback speed if necessary using the speed options. Review the animation and make any desired edits. Let's add another entry for the final step. Click the Add button to create a new item, just like before. Enter the required details for this entry. Now we need to update the data source as well. This time, let's extract the information from section 5.6. Navigate to section 5.6 in your document or data. Highlight the relevant content, then copy it. Return to your new entry and paste the copied text into the appropriate field. Double check to ensure everything is accurate and correctly entered. If you need to adjust formatting or clean up any extra spaces, do that here. When you're satisfied with the information, save your changes to confirm the new entry has been added successfully. Repeat this process for this is version 2.6. Let's try working with clip 2. First, select the second clip in the timeline. Now use the slice tool to split the clip exactly where you want. Next, select the unwanted segment and delete it from the timeline. After deleting, review the cut to ensure accuracy. Finally, click the play button to preview your edits and make sure everything flows smoothly. Repeat these steps as needed to further refine your video project as desired. After making your changes, click the Share button to open sharing options. From here, you can choose to share your project directly with others or download it to your device for offline use. Select your preferred option to proceed. Set the video quality to the highest available option before clicking the download button. You just learned how to make an urban opener animation in Canva. Enjoyed it? Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.